Hey guys, just wanted to introduce you to how I treat treated lumber when it's cut. Original treatment does not penetrate all the way, and I don't think most people who use end cut solution do the proper amount. If you actually read the instructions on the bottle, it will say multiple flowing coats. And so here's the setup I've used. I have a bucket. I use another small bucket with a clamp so I don't get my hands all dirty. And then I use a good $20 stain brush, holds a lot of stain. And I apply multiple flowing coats, and I'll show you right here. So it's best to use lumber that is a bit dry. If the lumber is soaked, it's just not going to be as thirsty. It's not going to soak it up as much. And you'll notice that it just looks like it's wet right away. Lumber that's very dry, you'll apply a bit of stain, and then it'll right here, you'll see, no, maybe not. It won't look like you've applied a bunch. This lumber is fairly wet since it's the middle of winter, but as you can see right there, I applied some and then it got light again, as if it wasn't saturated. So basically what I'll do is I will go through from one end of the stringer to the other, applying stain in each section until it does not take any more. Then I'll move on from riser to tread, and then riser to tread, all the way down the stair stringers. And then I'll start back up at the top and go again. And I always do at least 3 coats. For me, stringers are just, they're so vulnerable because we've got all these cuts, so much exposed surface. I want to make sure, and then stairs are also one of those things that can fail and be a safety issue. So